Welcome to your upload for Thanksgiving, November 23rd to 2023. Hopefully your Thanksgiving is awesome. The Younow family, IG family, my personal friends. So hashtag Mr. Bombi, aka TikTok. Your present did get shipped out, and you'll get it sometime next week. So on with the story. So vacation. So I will be headed to Reading to see a fellow content digital creator and whom I met from a former employer. So we'll be there for at least 4 days from March 15th to the 17th. We'll definitely have stream time there and swimming pool time since we bought new trunks and they actually fit. Surprising. I bought the right one. The second one will be August 9th to the 12th. Headed to Monrovia to see aka Mr. Bomb. We will be able to have dinner and we'll talk business and just hang and see what's up. And we'll be at an extended Los Angeles Monrovia from August 9th to the 12th hotel for the 4 days, which is like $645.34. If promo is still there, I will be taking half bus, half train, half Uber, or half bus, half Uber to the hotel since service in intercity sucks. It's an arrival and departure because that's too long. So check out my Younow, DERRICKKEARLEY.90401. And Derek Curley 1947 is Younow. Sorry. So far on the main account, I have 2,841 diamonds. That has value of 28 cents. My producers is at 25,205. More likes by November 30th. I'm at 14,795 out of 40,000 likes. Props, I'm at 7.83. Experience the level 63 plus 100 bonus bars. Coins, I have 10,501, which I added last night. Pearls, I have 1 million. And current subs are Ann1230 is my current sub on there. Top fans are Paige Beatrice and _1230 and Zoffel. Last stream made in likes was 5,654. That was as of the 18th, and I will stream tonight. The newer one, which is Derek Curley 1947, I have 3,015, cash value of 30 cents. Producers is 25,827 more likes by November 30th. Which gives me 24,173 out of 40,000 likes already sent. And I think between combined, I'm at 2 crowns equal. Props 7.51 to level 56 plus 30 bonus bars. Pearls 731.4k. Coins 6,666. Last stream on that one I got 299. And I didn't read. I had put it on there. Okay, one sec. I did on the other one, but I didn't do on this one. Fan of, and then subs. And my crystal cards will go out Saturday for sure. I already have them enveloped and stamped and ready to run away. And I will post my turkey dinner on IG. So that one I have 1K fans, 1 sub was to Ann, Fan, I have 131 fans. Thank you. And the other one, I have 955 fans, 0 subs. And then, I can't sub on that one because I was attached to a Google Play account. That one I have 113 fan of. And that one, top fans are Ronan Tim, Vanama, Sama. And my social media, whether it's correct or not. Facebook is DERICKKARA10. Twitter, same thing. Instagram is therecurly4040, which is sorry, which is the one I will always reply on for sure. I pretty much have most of my Younow friends on that one. Like Younow, TikTok, I can make that. Derek Curly, Nitty Bottom 1974, Snapchat, DCurly55, and Honorable News. Researchers are testing drugs that can prevent sleeplessness better than caffeine and say there are three shown promises. I read that. That's it. A judge ordered former President Trump to stop publicly vilifying a prosecutor who is investigating him. A judge in Florida will unseal a more detailed list of items seized at the home of former President Trump. The blue light from your screens may be aging you, according to a new study. Excuse me while I make a body-size blue light reflection. Scientists found that the exposure to blue light alters metabolicals, which are chemicals that are essential for cell function. As a result, researchers say the blue light may have a detrimental effect on a wide range of cells in our body, from skin, fat cells, to sensory neurons. All of these things, of course, can accelerate aging and lead to premature death. They drew these conclusions by exposing fruit flies to blue light, after which they found that the flies' brains had increased levels of metabolite light and decreased levels of glutamate. Low levels of glutamate can decrease brain function. In addition, these found that fruit flies without blue light exposure live longer than those with blue light exposure. Yet another reason to limit your screen time after finishing reading the newsletter, of course. Paw Patrol, so I did not see part 3. I'm going to wait until I'm on YouTube, but I did see Trolls 3, and it's so awesome. Please go see it. Justin Timberlake supposedly produced it. There's some songs from the 80s, which is awesome. So they kind of did like a retrospect from old songs, which is awesome. And this one, the bad guys were more friends than enemies, which is awesome. The last movie, Paw Patrol movie, grossed $40.1 million in the United States and Canada, and $0.42 million in other territories, for a worldwide total of $1.43 million. So the next two, the second one, box office. As of October 6, 2023, Paw Patrol, the Mighty movie, had grossed $30 million in the United States and Canada and $2.85 million in other territories, for a worldwide total of $5.85 million. So, the two current movies I want to see is, of course, the new Garfield movie, which will be released next year, and then Wonka, which comes out the week before Christmas. The last made Wonka Factory, starring Johnny Depp as Candyman Willy Wonka, remained the top movie at $28.3 million, bringing a 10-day total of $114.1 million, according to studio estimates. In current YouTube, hashtag 30 sucks a kid. I'm at 35 subs. Thank you. Last vid post got 12 views. Thanks so much. Let's try to get this one a little bit more higher. That way, Younow knows. YouTube knows. That we're all there. But anyways, this is my upload. I will try to upload one before Christmas. If I don't do it before Christmas, I'll definitely update one. I'm planning on starting saving for my trip for Reading the week of the movie, hopefully. But I'll definitely update you in the next vid. So as always, please like, please share, please sub me, please. The more subs and likes, just like Younow, it definitely helps the stream, of course. And the more uploads that come through, of course. And always checking on Younow, Facebook, Younow, Snapchat, Twitter, and yeah, and happy Thanksgiving. Sorry, my bad. But anyways, like I said, hit me up, like, share me, sub me. Check me out on Younow, hit me up on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and wherever you can find my users. And some of them aren't active. But anyway, thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.